So how does progesterone affect the embryo? That's what I'm going to deal with in the next few slides. This graph comes from a paper by Rod Giesert's group in Oklahoma back in 1988. Garrett was the first author, and essentially what they did there was they injected animals with progesterone on day 1, 2, 3, or 4 after insemination. And as you can see, if you inject an animal with progesterone, you get an immediate spike in progesterone here, and once you stop the progesterone injections, progesterone falls back again. Okay? So it's a very transient or a short window of progesterone elevation. When they slaughtered the animals on day 14 and recovered the conceptuses, they saw a dramatic effect on the length of the conceptus. So in the controls, they were around 4 millimeters. In the P4 treated, they were nearly 40 millimeters, although you can see here a huge range in response. Okay, so this is a piece of evidence that shows that progesterone can affect the embryo. It doesn't necessarily indicate that it is a direct effect on the embryo, but nonetheless, it is manifested in conceptus elongation. One other thing just to point out in passing, and I'll hopefully come back to it at the end, is that when you stop the progesterone injections here in this study, the levels subsequent were lower than control levels. Okay, and just keep that in mind, and I'll come back to it at the end.